Excuse me. Welcome back to Kawanda Collectibles for another video of unboxing the, what is it? The Charleston, South Carolina box, I think it is. So, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and open this. I couldn't resist. I was ready to open it. I was getting ready to open it, y'all, but I waited. I waited. I got so much on the table over here. I'm drinking, excuse me, some iced tea. My husband fixed me some iced tea, and it is very good. It is the bomb. And just finished eating a Subway salad, not salad, what you call it, what's the name of it, sandwich I had, Lordy, what's the name of it, dang, I think it was a club, I think it was a club sandwich. It's delicious. To be so careful. I thought this was broke. This chain is broke, but this is a pretty necklace. Wish the chain won't broke on it, but it is. It's pretty though. It's a pretty necklace. It's pretty, but it is broke. I had a bag for the broke stuff. Yeah, items that's broke, I can put it in here. Some nice earrings. Nice. That $4.88. They're cute. Big. But they're cute. It said Claire's on it. And then these are some teeny earrings. Sensitive Solutions. Teeny earrings, I know that. I hope my screen not smeared and it looked like it. Hope it's not though. Spray gold bangle. It's a nice gold bangle. I don't see no marking on it. No marking. This is nice. I don't see a marking on here either. It says the future is yours. The future is yours. These are nice bangles though. I really like these. The rosary is nice. It's a nice one. First I got a really nice rosary. So I like this. Yeah, I really like this. It's nice too. Another bangle. Let's open or something. No. It's a nice bangle. Oh, this one is nice too. It says L/X XL. This is a good bangle. Gold, silver tone, I want to say copper. These are nice bangles. Oh. Let's see, that's how they look. That's that one. I don't know if that's rose gold or not. But all of them are nice. Nice. It's different. It's in New York. Like it. Like this. That stuff loaded down in here. Loaded down. Oh, this is in good condition. It says love. And it has a heart. Oh, this is really good condition. Yeah, this is in excellent condition. Like that. Not missing any rhinestone. This is tangled. Oh, yeah, this is very much so tangled. Hope everyone had a good day and still having a good day. This is nice. Silver, gold, black, and a little copper mixed. It's nice though. I have a lot to clean. I wasn't going to do another video, but I was like, maybe I'll try to hurry up and open it and then do my, try to do something on it. It's a sale this weekend. I'm going to try. I thought this is pretty. Here's the back. Lobster claw clasp. This is pretty. I feel it's glass. I'm not sure. Sound like it's glass. I'm not sure, but this is a pretty gold and black necklace. Chain is nice. 1, 2, 3, 4-layer chain, gold chain. Definitely needs cleaning. Like that. It's very long too. This bag actually has some nice jewelry in it. This box I had. I don't know what this is. A pendant? Yeah, I think this is a pendant. Yeah, I think it's a pendant. This is nice too. just opening. I wish I can open this whole bag tonight, but I know that's not possible. That's an earring. It's an earring, but we're gonna do a separate video with earrings. Excuse the noise. One of my neighbors in his sports car. Okay. Oh, these are. This feel broke. This one, look, it's broke with an arrow. Oh yeah, it's in here. Here it is. This, I guess, goes on that end. Goes in here. And this one goes in here too. This one is nice, like a love knot. This is nice. Keep that in the bag. Might take this one out. Where the other thing go? It fell out? Oh, here you go. This one. Okay. Oh, it's a hole in the bag. They put this one in craft. It's a hole in the bag. Let me see. Oh. Put some tape across this one so that that little piece won't come out. That's a craft piece right there. But this one is nice. Hate when it tangles. And this is Ashley Taylor Classic Link Necklace. It's nice. Maybe with tags. Chain is good condition. Goes on here. Oh, this is an earring. This one, what you call them, stations on them. I think that's what they're called. This is pretty though. It's a very good gold chain. This chain is in excellent condition. Nice chain. It's pretty. This is long. Yeah, this is a long necklace. right here. I don't know if this goes on here or not. It says toast. I don't know. I don't know if this all goes on here, but it's a nice chain. Nice pair of earrings. I like these tangles. This is very challenging for me. I don't know if this goes together. I think there's a whole chain. Let me see something. Okay. This one we're gonna wait on because there's something back here, but I can't make that out on there. And there's something here. I'm not sure what that. I think it's a hand. Is it? I don't have my eyeglasses on. I can't see it. But and this is really nice. So I'm not sure. I have to take this loose. I can't really. Darn. Excuse the noise, you guys. This my neighbor in his sports car. I think this glass. Oh, this is beautiful. Ooh, this is really nice, y'all. Ooh, feel good though. It's cold. My husband came in. I guess he was like, "You hear that? That noise? This is pretty. Listen to the noise. I love it. This is pretty. Look at that. Gosh, this is nice. Let's see what else is in the bag. What else is in the bag? I have to. I might try to do me a live video showing the earrings. There's so many of them. I want to just go through all of them. It's a nice bracelet. Oh, these are cute too. And they're in excellent condition. Anybody like bangles? I definitely have a lot. This is nice too. Yeah. Ooh, I'm just gonna have to go and craft. This is really missing a lot of stuff. You know, now unless I can find it in the bag and put them together in a bag together. Somebody can craft with this. That's the back. But for now, I'm gonna go in this craft bag here. Oh, here's another one of those bracelets. This one is not broken. I'm not gonna take it out because it's the same as that other one we had. Yeah, I'm not taking that one out of the bag. That's nice too. This still have a tag on it. See that? I didn't get to clean my camera. Well, the iPad. I use my iPad for the videos, and I need to clean it. Bellezza, Italy. I probably can't see it. Come on, I need to clean it, but this is pretty. Wait a minute, it looks tangled. You know how you have to unravel it. There we go. There we go. That's different. It's in excellent condition though. Excellent condition. Need some big gold earrings. Big gold earrings. Nice. It's back. I don't know what my neighbor doing, but he doing too much. I like buttons. This is nice too. What is this? Has a hallmark on it. Okay, this is a Premier Design bracelet, which is nice. It's good condition. Premier Design. And I'm putting on my Premier Design stuff together. Cause this one is Premier Design that I showed on one of the other videos. It's a little necklace here. Whole thing looks so tangled. See if I can get it loose. Now there's gonna be another one that has to get untangled because I just don't want that to take up my time here. This is nice, which is glass. Once we get it loose. There we go. Still not tangled all the way. Didn't get all the tangles out, but it'll work. It needs a new clasp on it. Or once I clean them, maybe it'll come clean. But this gold necklace is nice as well. And this is glass. Again, let's see. It sounds glass, but it's pretty. I love that colors. The colors. Colors. This is different. This is copper. Everything is there. And this is a New York as well. That's the chain. The chain is copper. Oh, this is pretty. I don't know. This could be an ankle bracelet or a bracelet. No marking on it, but it looked like it may be an ankle bracelet. I'm not sure. I have this. I don't know. I may end up going through this bag and untangling. I don't know. I don't know. What? This is pretty though. Nothing's missing either. That's pretty. It's in good condition. I love this gold tone. It's a little tangled still. The lobster claw clasp is good. Can't make that out. If anyone can make that out, if you know what that jewelry marking is, I'm not sure. But this is nice. It's in excellent condition. It's an earring. And we put all the earrings to the side. Yeah, I be picking through the bag. I want to see certain things. Let me see. I'm not sure what this is. Whatever it is broke. But it's pretty. This will be a craft piece. It's broke. Put that in that craft bag. Oh, these are like the earrings go to that necklace. This is nice. Needs a cleaning. It's a stretch. This is nice. Oh, it's like an Alex and Ani bracelet. It's pretty. Gold with pearls. And gold pearls. Gold beads and the pearl, faux pearls. I think what is that? This is probably what went on here, I think. Oh no. See, this is broke. It's going in to craft. Well, oh no. This might be too small to be on there. No. Well, oh, that's gonna go in craft. Love, love will keep us together. This look broke. You just need a. Oh no, it's not. Here's the clasp. Yeah, but it. Let's see. I might put a little something on the end of it. Extender. Maybe. It's cute. Love. Love will keep us together. It's cute. You got different stuff on it. Got a heart. It has love. And then you have that in a bow. This is nice too. Ooh, this is nice. This red is hot. Hot. This is nice. Put it in the view. It's not missing anything, and the chain is in good condition. So this is a nice one. Look at that. Look at that spot go. This is very good. Look at that. This is in very good condition. This is broke. Feel like it's glass. This is nice too. I think it just goes over your head. I don't see a clasp to it. No. This is nice though. It's in very good condition. It's pretty. Gosh, there's some beautiful jewelry in here. This look broke. Yeah, this is broke. But it looked like this is, I think this is glass. I'm not sure. But it looked like this can be fixed somehow, but it's gonna have to go in craft though, because I won't be able to fix that. And I'm not sure if it's glass or not. It may not, but it's pretty. Look at that. I like the AB. Look at that. Almost like Swarovski crystals. Look at that. It's beautiful. Let's see something. Turn Miss Prissy on to see if it's glass. While we wait to Miss Prissy get herself warmed up, we look at something else real quick. Oh, I didn't realize the time. I liked it. And then here go that another one. That's wild that it's broke. There's another one. Love. We ain't gonna be there. We're gonna have to do another video here, y'all. I like this orange bracelet. It's big, but no marking on it. It's pretty. I like that. Look at that sparkle to it. The sparkle is nice. Let me check this out. See if this is glass or not. Not moving, so I don't think it's glass, because it's light. It's kind of light. I don't know. But this is going in craft though, because it's broke. It's broke. Okay, that's gonna be it for now. I will do another video because my plan is I really want to try to get all this stuff open, and then my plan is to try to clean the ones that, well, period, just try to clean some of it, because it does need cleaning. The jewelry is kind of dirty. It has a little dirt on it. I love this one right here. Oh, I just adore this one. And this one heavy. So I love that one right there. I love this one right here. And this one is cute. Then we have this. This one is cute too. That one. Let's see. Then we have this. this bracelet. Oh, and let's not forget these bangles. All the bangles are pretty. I just adore these bangles. All the sparkle. Bling bling. All the bling on here. Okay, not gonna do that. So, hope everyone enjoyed. So if you can, give me a, what y'all call it? Subscribe, give me a thumbs up. And if you can, leave a comment. Let me know what items that you like and what items you are interested in. And then what I could do is get some prices for you. And that would let you know how much they are. But I'm also going to try to wash them, give them a little bath. And going to definitely try to do a sale the weekend coming up. I'm not sure yet. I never know, you guys, if I'm sure what I'm going to do. So bear with me, because I could tell you I'd do one tomorrow, and then tomorrow coming I won't do one tomorrow, but that's just me. But everybody have a blessed day. Be safe if you go out. And yeah, that will be it for tonight. Bye-bye.